Turn off or on active download notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off or on active download notifications on your Google Chrome. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Google. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Scroll down and click on notifications, and now scroll down again and you're gonna find active download. Click on it, and here turn off show notifications, and they're never gonna send you notifications if you active downloads. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.